Díagwit agus fáilte. In this Irish language video we're going to look at the word cóirde, which is counsel. Now it can also mean counsel as in giving advice to somebody. So for example, thug siad cóirde dit. They gave you advice. Thug siad cóirde dit. But we'll be mostly focusing on the local politics aspect of the word cóirde in this video. So in the last video I made we learned about the word rialtas, which is government, rialtas. Ibrian an rialtas leis an Garda Aitul. The government works with the local council. Ibrian an rialtas leis an Garda Aitul. The Irish for councillor then is Corleor. Corleor. Is-í an Corleor Aitul. She is a local councillor. Is-í an Corleor Aitul. Corle Carach Valliachlia, Dublin City Council. Corle Carach Valliachlia. Tá siad ag lurg cruinniú práineach den Chorle. They are seeking an urgent meeting with the council. Tá siad ag lurg cruinniú práineach den Chorle. They're seeking an urgent meeting with the council. Cén fá, why? Cén fá means why. Níl is agam, I don't know. Níl is agam. Okay, that brings us to the end of this Irish language video. Thanks for watching. You will see some similar videos up on screen now, and please subscribe for more videos just like this. Gurb mágad agus slán go fóill.